Hey everybody, welcome back to Leslie Clutch, Oregon, where we're going to go explore it by bike a little bit. So let's go do that. An adventure if you can. Well, all right. I think that's going to be it for that ride. Just a short ride on a break from work. But man, it is so beautiful here. All right, let's head back. Well, all right, that was pretty great. Not terribly long, about 4 miles. So let's see what I missed at work. So when you live outside most of the time, you know, and you're in these great places that are in the middle of nowhere, when a storm rolls through, one, I'm very grateful that I have internet because I got an alert, and two, like, you have like just a couple moments to, like, you know, stake your stuff down in case it's going to happen. Man, I was hoping it was going to get a big gust of wind because Clifford's been rocking in the wind and I wanted to catch it, but guess I'll try that later. All right, here's to a big storm. So when you rely on solar, you know, for pretty much everything that you do, and there's just not good solar for, like, you know, a day and a half, I have to run the truck sometimes. Talk about almost the most expensive generator to run ever. But, you know, even running it for like a half hour, that'll definitely give me enough power to hopefully get me through overnight. But just wanted to kind of talk about that. That is one downside to where if it rains a lot or it's really cloudy, like, there's just not enough solar to power everything. So Clifford's trying to help me out with that. All right, let's see what's next. Good morning. Wasn't that star shot fantastic? Wow, man, I'm really glad I pointed the camera that way last night. Whew, okay. It's chilly here, like, quite. It was 60 in the camper when I woke up because I didn't turn the heat on. So I'm trying to, like, you know, be more of a camping experience maybe. I don't know. Also, when using the heat is really good, but it also makes it dry in the camper. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Isn't it so pretty here? All right, it's an early work day today, quite a few meetings. And then we're gonna break camp and head into town and resupply and even do that wonderful thing called laundry. All right, let's get to it. So I said it was 60 in the camper when I woke up, but look at this. It was 50 outside overnight. So I shouldn't complain at all, right? Let's eat. Well, all right, that very, very heavily meeting-packed day is complete in this beautiful, beautiful location. So while there's still some daylight left to drive out of this great place, I'm gonna pack up camp and head for that amazing thing called a shower with a workout. Hey, and maybe even some laundry. Let's get all that started. And that is it for Leslie Clutch. I thought it was fantastic. I hope you guys did as well. All right, let's see what's next. So I heard about this hot spring that was about 2-ish hours from where I've been camping the last 2 days. So that's where we're going. We're going to go check that out before we head into town for some more supplies, you know, shower, good stuff like that, maybe some laundry. But hot spring and adventure first. Let's go. There's other cars here and sounds like water. Let's see if I'm in the right place.
Mira, él chequea la temperatura. Mira.
So I just found this hot springs that somebody recommended to me, and of course it's really popular. And it gets really hot actually. You have to like push some water back at you sometimes. But just met this great guy. What's your name?
Sean.
Sean, and he lives in Idaho. And I've been asking people the same question. What do you like better, city or country?
Specifically our area, I guess.
Just in general.
Yeah. I mean, I've lived in a lot of different places. I lived in California for quite a while in the Bay Area, and so I like the difference here compared to there. A lot more freedom, a lot, like a little bit more open-mindedness, you know, in different ways, I guess. Yeah. I guess, yeah, a little more freedom. Kind of just the freedoms, I guess, our country has grown up with.
Right.
We still have here.
Okay, I agree with that. I mean, there are some things that are nice about the city. There's like a lot more conveniences, I guess I would say. Like you have to go a little bit farther and burn yourself in a hot tub. This is my first time I've been to one of these. This is pretty great. Well, all right. Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Rock right there was totally out of it. There was the whole top of it was out of water. Not really supposed to be stepping stone anyway. It's supposed to be.
Well, that was super good time, sitting there and talking to some folks for a while. It's great when you build connections, you know, wherever you go. So I encourage you guys to go out and do that. But now, let's go get some dinner, because I'm hungry. Spring was great, but dinner has been achieved. I am starving. Let's go get this very, very good pizza. If you haven't had glazed pizza, highly, highly recommend it. All right, let's go get some food. It is definitely some chore time. Next chore is gas, and then laundry, and then gym. Let's go. Hey, the best sunsets are at the grocery store parking lot. Apparently this is the laundry parking lot, but wow, look at that. Very nice. We live in a beautiful, beautiful place, don't we? That's great. I am very much looking forward to this workout and shower. Very, very much. So let's go get that done before it gets any darker. It's shower time. Hey, it's hot. It's not as hot as that hot spring over there. All right, workout and shower done. Check. Let's go find that fabulous campground. It's in the city. Bet you can guess where it is. Let's go. All right, if you guessed Cracker Barrel, you would be correct. Look at this awesome camper that's here too. Look at this thing. It's like, that looks like the front is like, what, a Land or something? Land Cruiser, Land Rover. And the back is like this cool camper. It's pretty awesome. Oh, look at that. It's out even from another country. Oh. Very cool, very cool. All right. Camp is set up. And I'm going to play some Zelda. Look at that. Oh, so let's talk about, you don't always have to buy new stuff, right? I just got this TV right here for 16 bucks. Like Savers, thrift stores, like you don't have to always buy new. Just buy what works. And there we go. I'm gonna go play some Zelda and I'll catch you guys up in the morning. Good night. All right, okay, that delicious Cracker Barrel ready. Let's go. As usual, breakfast was fantastic here at the Cracker Barrel. All right, let's get back in the truck and get back to work. So the work day is done. It's Wednesday. It's getting warm in there, so it's time to pack up, head to the gym again, because you know, it's the next day, and pick up some more supplies and head back into the forest. Let's get that done. One downside to travel is, you know, you get accustomed to a certain like salad, and you're like, oh yeah, let's go to Costco and get that salad. Apparently, this Costco in Boise, Idaho does not have said salad. Well, this might be the smallest Costco purchase. Whew. On to the next chore. It's another Walmart. All right, let's try to get this last thing off the list. Let's go try to top off the water if we get lucky. I saw a Maverick on the map. Hopefully they'll have some water. Let's go look. No water at this one. The search continues. Found another one that's maybe 10, 20 minutes away on the way that Cliff and I are going. So let's go check that one. Look at that water. All right, water's full, filling up the fuel, got some food. Let's go find where this adventure is going now that we got all those supplies and chores done. Let's go. This is a pretty drive. This is I-84 in Oregon, heading north. Very, very nice. Not too far from here was Hell's Canyon, which I'd been a couple years ago. I almost went there, but I'd rather take you this other place. So it's really nice. Let's keep going. For any of you guys that ever played that Oregon Trail game, apparently I'm on the Oregon Trail. So that was some pretty nice drone footage, I think. Whew. All right, let's get to our campsite. Well, I'm pretty happy so far with where this road is going towards the campsite that I just seriously just dropped a pin because it looks pretty. Let's go see what that looks like. Wow. Not bad at all. Can you say wow for a pin drop? Wow. Go Oregon. Holy camole. That's fantastic. All right. Very, very cool. All right, I think I'm gonna bust a drone out. Let's see if we can get some drone of this lake. That'd be awesome. Let's go. Okay, I think that drone was pretty awesome. Okay, I said okay 2 times now. Let's go find camp. I'm cold. It's like 55 degrees. But beautiful. Oh my, it is so beautiful. Okay, let's go. A fee with America the Beautiful Pass. It's $6 a night. For 2 nights, $12. I mean, it's fantastic. Whew. All right. Wow. What did we do today? A lot. Okay. We did a lot of chores. Went to the gym. Woke up at a Cracker Barrel. Did, yeah, gas and drive-in and all those amazing views, and then finding this just epic, epic lake by a random pin drop. All right. I'm finally getting some dinner. It's late. I still have some work to do, so I'm going to do that. 100% get some sleep, and I will catch you guys up in the morning. Good night. Quite a change from the desert from a week ago, huh? Well, good morning. Whew, hope you guys slept good. I slept pretty good, warm in the camper. You know, that heat works out pretty well. All right, so today I'm gonna be hanging out here in this beautiful campsite doing some work. And then I'm gonna go hike around the lake. However, that's gonna be for the next part of this story. I'm gonna go ahead and close part 3, and I will catch you guys up on the next one. Bye.